You can see viewers, this type of new ferry started from Butterworth to Georgetown and Georgetown to Butterworth. New style, new design. Same type of ferry we are in.